Hello everyone, in this video I'll guide you how to clear up temporary file from your Windows 11. So if you want to clear up all temporary file or junk file from your Windows 11, then follow these steps. First, right click on your Windows icon, right click on it, and then click on run. And after that, type here percentage temp percentage, and then just click on OK. And here will be all temporary file. If you want to delete one by one, then right click on it and then just click on delete box. But if you want to select all these file and delete by one click, then just click on Control and A together and it will select all files. And then just click on delete icon. As you can see, delete box, click on it. Some file you can't delete, so just skip this, click on skip, again skip, and all deleted file will be in recycle bin. So as you can see, recycle bin, just right click on it and then click on empty recycle bin and then click on yes, and it will be deleted from recycle bin too. So then again click on Windows, right click on it and then click on run and then type here temp and then click on OK. And here, as you can see, this folder is empty. I don't have any temporary file here. Close it. Then again right click on your Windows icon, right click on it and then click on run. And here type here preface, and then just click on OK and click on continue. So these are the junk file. Click on Control plus A together and then click on delete and click on just skip. You can't actually delete this file and then just close it and then right click on recycle bin, right click on it and then click on empty recycle bin and just click on yes. And now all temporary file and junk file deleted from your PC. I hope you find this video useful. If you find this video useful, then please make sure subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Have a great day.